Hello. Recently I received this nice big box from Influenster. Today I'm going to see what I got. I am part of the Influenster mini filter-free CoolMist Humidifier from Vicks campaign. And because of that, I got this nice CoolMist Humidifier. And now with 4 kids in a very dry house, I'm very excited to try it out. I'm going to open it up. So like many families with kids, especially in school, we get lots of colds. So I'm thinking that'll be especially perfect. So in this, I got the instructions. I got this Vicks VapoPads refill pad, which I assume this makes it different than any old humidifier. I have the humidifier itself. So here we go. I'm not going to actually use it right in this video today, but I'm going to unwrap it here at least. One of my first impressions, though, I will say, I think it's very adorable. I think it would fit in any room and it wouldn't look ugly. I like the blue color of it. So I'm just going to take a quick look at the direction. Oh, in it is some coupons too, so I can get more vapor pads and other stuff. And it looks like it's about a few steps. Fill it up, which is pretty easy. It says put on any water-resistant surface a minimum of 12 inches from walls. Of course, plug it in. And looks like there's a couple different settings on it. So I guess, you don't want your house too humid, or otherwise you get mold. And you use the vapor pad. So it also says not recommended for infants under 10 pounds. And if the child is between 10 and 22 pounds, do not use for more than 2 pads in a 24-hour period. So anyway, it looks like it's pretty easy to use. I'm going to test it out today and I'll submit my review. Thank you.